Hi everyone, this is Rishikesh Ekbote, the founder. At Ungrade, we don't judge students according to their grades, we judge them according to their talents and skills and suggest a best career path specially curated for them. We help students find their passion and be happy with the rest of their lives. We help parents save time and money and reduce the burden of their child's future. So let us learn something valuable today.
Do you know that many people work hard, but only a few become really successful? That's because smart work is what makes the difference. So, what is the difference between hard work and smart work? And what to do? What is the meaning of hard and smart work? Hard work, working with a lot of effort. Here our body plays an active role. Smart work, getting the maximum work done with little effort. Here brain plays an active role. A story about hard work versus smart work. Once upon a time, there was a poor worker. He worked hard every day, breaking stones in the mountains, and selling them in the market. A ridiculously hard job, that took him from dawn until night, but it was not enough to feed his family. One day, when he went to a craftsman's shop to sell the stone, he saw that the craftsman would sell precious stones to a merchant, for thousands of rupees. The worker asked the craftsman, "Where do you get these beautiful stones from?" The craftsman replied, "These are the same stones that you sold me yesterday. I made small pieces and turned them into beautiful sculptures." Seeing this, the worker was incredibly sad. The worker said, "There is no value for my hard work. I worked 9 to 10 hours a day in hot summers, but I only get a few rupees. And you who work a few hours sitting at home make thousands of rupees. You are not working as hard as I am, but your profit is 10 times more than mine." The artisan replied, "The value of any product is not determined by the fact that so much effort has been made, its value is determined by how useful it is." Need for smart work. Saves a lot of time. Being a smart worker saves a lot of time, as you can find ways and means to reduce your work, by using logical and innovative ways to achieve your goals. Faster achievement of goals, not relying on traditional ways, and using better ways of working. Smart work is a faster method that helps you reach your goals earlier. Builds your strengths. When one acquires in-depth knowledge about any work, and finds ways to improve in order to achieve the goal in lesser time, it really builds up on your strength, and helps you become a master of the work at hand. The need of the hour. In today's era of technology and fast-moving times, smart work is the need of the hour. Is hard work of any use? Hard work leads to self-development. Working hard is not always easy, that is for sure. Life always gives challenges. The hard work you are willing to put in to overcome these tough circumstances, are what will set you apart from the crowd. It will gain you a reputation as a reliable person. Hard workers are considered dependable people. When there is a task that requires completing, you, as a hard worker, do not delay or make excuses as to why the work is not finished. Hard work helps you build confidence. It builds confidence in yourself as you start to recognize progress that has been made. Becoming a better version of yourself should always be a goal of yours. Working hard prepares you for higher levels of education. Doing well in school generally leads to good grades. Consistent academic success increases the likelihood of earning admission into elite colleges and universities. Is your approach really smart? Merely working smart would not fetch you fruitful results in the long run. It is essential to work hard first, because then only you will understand what you are doing, and accordingly construct a smarter plan. It is unfortunate that people tend to switch to smart work without putting additional efforts, which might lead to a downfall. How to approach work. Working hard plus intelligent decisions. When you want your hard work to really pay off, it is equally important that you make smart decisions, so that you get best outcomes using minimal efforts and resources. Know about your goals. Before you even start working hard, it is of utmost importance that you have a clear vision of what your objectives are. When you do not know where your hard work is going, you end up wasting your time and energy. Manage your time. Time is always precious and you have to be able to identify and schedule all your tasks precisely. You would not want to ruin even your seconds doing anything wasteful, would you? Know the impact of your work. Your aim should not be to achieve your goals anyhow, but ensure fruitful and productive results. Do not execute your tasks blindly, rather know the impact of your work, and how does this help you accomplish your targets. Do you want to do just hard work? Or take efforts and do it smartly?